Hi, I'm Alexanne Stone, and I am so excited about you joining us for Vision 2021, creating your best year yet. This isn't just simple goal setting. We've all been taken through goal setting and vision boarding almost over and over again. Once written down or pasted and hung on the refrigerator or taped up on the wall, we often hope that it's going to turn out the way we've created it. Sometimes you're even thrilled and or surprised when it actually comes into being. In this training, we're going to actually use your ability to see, hear, feel, even taste and smell if they apply. Your future. You'll discover your timeline and how useful it can be to place your desired goals, your outcomes, or your dreams out there on the timeline for when you want them to appear. You'll learn the tools that enable you to take those goals or your dreams out into the future, make them a reality, and then take the steps backwards for the action that you need to put in place to achieve those dreams and goals. You learn the skills. So instead of just having words on a paper, you actually have the physical experience now of those dreams and goals out in the future. Join the select few who use NLP, the laws of vibration and attraction, to design and achieve your dreams. Step into your future now and know how to get there in 2021. Join us on Friday, January 15th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. for this exciting, transformational, and interactive workshop. Design and achieve your dreams for 2021. Click the link below to find out more information and to register. I can't wait to experience your 2021 with you.